Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to put a rainbow text effect on your Instagram story like this. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a rainbow text effect on your Instagram story, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just going to add some post to my story, just going to add this to my story. Now I just going below this and just changing the background colors to the black color so you can understand how it's going to be happen. Click done. Now you're just going to type as about a PC setup game something like that. Okay, let's we type in the in caps so the rainbow effect can be easily seen. So PC game setup. Okay, now click on this done option. Now I just need this to be a rainbow color, so you just need to do this. Click on this, click on the color icon. Now you just long press on the color. You can see this will happen. So first of all, you just need to select the entire thing like this. Now you just need to long press here and just move this like this. Just move the color. You can see you just want to move the selection option and also the color option. So it's just going to change to blue. Now same long press on the color. Long press on the color will make this like this, and you can just change, just move the selection option like this, and you just want to make it on the two fingers so it will be look like this. Just long press on the color. You can just move this like this, and just move the selection option also like this. So you can now you can see how the rainbow text effect can be done. You can, and you understand that you just need to click on the text. You just want to long press on the text color that what you want, long press it. Then you just need to select the text like this. First of all, you just need to select the text, entire text, and long press on the color. Now just want to move the selection option one by one, and just also move the color option also. I think you understand. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.